What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you stopping by, spending a few minutes of your time here with me tonight. I just wanted to go over with you the charts for the DJ30 and the NAS 100 in preparation for Wednesday, March 19th session tomorrow morning. All right. Um, just so we know what we're looking at and what we're looking for potentially. All right. So here we're looking at the DJ30, and you can see we've had Monday that broke Friday's high, and then Tuesday we have a day that breaks neither side of the daily boundary, okay? Which means this is an inside day. And according to Stacy, the inside day is a trigger day or a signal day, potentially alerting us to a trading opportunity the next or following day, which would be Wednesday, right? Now, when it comes to the inside day, the things that we're going to be asking ourselves, right? Are we working the high? Are we working the low? Sort of like this. But it's not an uncommon occurrence for example, let's say we might get Wednesday that comes down here and breaks the bottom of that inside day before catapulting back to the upside, right? We have this breakout, pullback, right? And now what? Either continue, reverse, or enter a trading range, right? We might have a double inside day or something like that. Not very likely, right? But you might see it break to the downside, only to reverse back to the upside, right? So these are the kind of things we're going to be looking for, right? We want to trade on the outside of these markets. So we want to wait for one of these levels to be broken. That's where our highest probability trades are going to occur. That's when our explosive trades are going to occur, when we have higher time frame traders triggered into the market at the break of a daily or weekly boundary, right? So on the DJ30, we have the inside day, the trigger day. That's good news. That means I'm going to be watching this market for sure tomorrow. Now here on the NAS 100, we have a potential day 3 tomorrow, right? We have Monday that breaks Friday's high. Tuesday breaks Monday's low. That break of Monday's low confirms Monday's breakout as a false breakout. Okay, so that starts our day count. Day 1 is that false break at the high or the low of the week. So we have our day 1 false break, day 2 that confirms the false break, and then Wednesday, day 3, right? And it's the same sort of deal. We want to see, are we working the low or are we working the high? When we come to the charts, we're going to be marking off our highs and lows. When we come to our charts, the most recent high and low, and asking ourselves, are we working the high or are we working the low? Okay, we want to see, maybe we're going to be coiling sideways here at the low of the week for an explosive move to either side. But we're just going to have to use our experience and our own discretion and patience to just wait and see what happens, okay? Don't force yourself to trade just because you see, okay, we have a day 1 false break on Monday, Tuesday confirmed that false break. Don't think that you have to trade that market on Wednesday, okay? You only want to trade when these trades are obvious, when it's something simple to you, right? It just really sticks out to you. If it's not looking the way you want it to look, don't trade it, because there will be other opportunities, okay? Anyway, man, these are the things that I'm looking at, paying attention to, getting ready for tomorrow's session. Um, I actually have an appointment in the morning, so I'm going to have to be really brief and quick with my trading to be able to get out of the door on time and make it to where I'm going. I might actually have to skip the session, unfortunately, but that just is what it is, right? It's the nature of life. Everything is busy, constantly going. But I wanted to make sure I got on here and got this video out there to you for anyone who will be available to trade this session, okay? So anyway, man, I appreciate you guys, all the love and support the channel's been getting, right? We're over 900 subscribers, which is kind of mind-blowing. So I appreciate all the love, man. And until next time, I hope you continue to free your mind.